Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to find message requests on Instagram. It is very easy process. If you want to learn it, keep watch the video till the end. First of all, you have to open your Instagram app. Then you have to click on your home button for refreshing. Then you will see the top right corner there is a message option. So if any request come, it will show that there is one or two messages come here. So if you click on the message option, then you will see if you get any message request, all are come here. From here, suppose one person text you, so you have to click on this message. If this person not available in your friend list or follower list, then it will show that you accept or not accept. So as this person in my friend list, so it's showing that directly. So from here you can find message requests on Instagram. That's it. Thanks for watching. If this video help you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day.